coming up on their 60th anniversary. What does the company offer builders who have survived the recession and are on the way up?
Well, just coming out of the recession, the biggest thing that I believe Ritz Craft offers is the builder doesn't have to deal as much with subcontractors. And so Ritz Craft affords the builder to be able to build a home, but circumvent a lot of the contractors that they would normally have to deal with. Actually, the asset actually gets to the job site anywhere from 80 to 95% complete, and after it gets to the job site, the builder needs to complete things like the HVAC system, the plumbing, electrical hookup, and things like that. But it's far more limited than what a stick builder would have to do on site.
What benefits does a modular built home offer over a stick built home?
Throughout the modular process, well, the building process that happens in the plant, there's quality control checks that happen all through the actual building of the home. We have to build to the highest possible building code, so we can't say build one home to South Carolina and one home for Michigan and things like that. So because we can't do that, we build to a code that surpasses all that. We comply with the Southern Building Code, the International Building Code, all the standard building codes that all site builders build to.
What about energy efficiency? What is the highest HERS rating that a Ritz Craft home has ever gotten?
We have a builder up in Connecticut who had a HERS rating on one of the houses that we built of 19, and that's pretty spectacular. I mean, a good HERS rating is 50. I mean, that's pretty good. So intrinsically, our houses are incredibly energy efficient.
How so? What details in terms of the building envelope do you guys pay attention to?
Well, because we control the process in such detail, the homes are built inside out of the weather, so you don't have that warping, that would let in air. Everything is built in the factory.
If a small builder wanted to partner with Ritz Craft and sell your product, what barriers to entry do they have to face, and what kind of background check do you perform on their company?
They have to go fill out a credit application. We check them out and make sure they're financially viable. We look at their track record in terms of the houses that they've done in the past, and we require all our builders, and this is a big barrier to entry, to build a model. And because the best way to sell a home is to show a home.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything else you want builders to know about Ritz Craft, or any perceptions that you want to change about what a modular home can be?
It's often confused with HUD code homes. And HUD code homes are quote-unquote manufactured homes. What we build to is the same building code that all site builders build to, except it tends to be much higher, because the fact that there's probably a third more lumber that goes into our homes, because you imagine taking your home, cutting it down the middle, and taking it down the highway 60 miles per hour, how it would look like. So it has to be really, really, really sturdy home. Mm-hmm. So that's why our specs are so good, and that's why we build to the degree that we do.